We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by.
Hello beautiful people, good morning, how are you doing? Well, good afternoon actually. Today I have my sister's birthday, so we're going to have dinner with all of her friends and all that stuff, and I'm gonna be getting ready with you guys and taking you with me throughout the day. Just to let you know, I woke up really early today and I went to the dermatologist, and she has cleaned a little bit my face and she gave me a treatment and all that stuff. I'm actually following a treatment with retinol and all, but yeah, I needed to check up with her, so she did this. Now I'm gonna go take a shower, get lunch ready, and then see how it's gonna be. So I don't know if I'm gonna be washing my hair or if I'm gonna be curling it again, like just refreshing it. We'll see. But other than that, by the way, I'm wearing my aligners today, so if I'm talking weird, I'm sorry, but that's the way it is. And yeah, so let's take a shower. I'm gonna put some mask as well so I can clean up a little bit all this, and hopefully it will calm down by today's dinner. I don't know, I hope so, because really I don't know what happened to me. I was not supposed to have the appointment today. I completely forgot about dinner. It's all right. Anyway, let's go, and we'll show you later what I'm gonna do for lunch. I'm gonna do something really easy, and I have some leftovers as well, but I think I'm gonna let them for tomorrow maybe. Today I'm gonna be doing easy peasy lunch with you guys. Let's go. I have put my mask on and I'm gonna show you really fast what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna be making some spaghettis. I have put the water to boil, and then for the sauce I'm gonna be using some garlic. I have minced a lot of garlic here, so I'm gonna be using garlic, red onions, because they are so sweet when you put them when you cook them, sorry. Then of course chicken, tomato, and parsley, and of course spinach. Then I'm gonna be adding some cheese, white cheese, and mix it all together, and I'm gonna be showing you. There we go. This is, guys, the best thing I've done. You see, so easy, so fast. I love it. I added the spinach here, so the chicken, the tomatoes, everything. Sorry. I'm gonna close it like this. Then I have spaghetti here. I'm gonna finish the dishes really fast so everything is clean, and go take my shower by the time everything cooks slowly. Sorry about the noise, but I live just next to school and you can hear the children having fun, so sorry about that. By the way, this is how it looks right now. I forgot to tell you, I have added salt, spices like this, so hot pepper, paprika. Feel free to add pepper. I don't add pepper because it hurts me, but you can. And now I'm gonna add white cheese like this, and at the end I'm gonna add some parmesan on the top. You know, I'm gonna be showing you. There you go. I've added the cheese. I mean, the kids here, they are crazy. You can hear them screaming. Now I'm gonna put it on slow heat and let it cook really slowly, so it will be so yummy by the time the spaghettis are cooking. Yum. I have taken my shower. Yes, my oh my god, good luck for tonight. Yes, it's still there, the chair. Okay. I've taken my shower. Lunch is ready, so I'm gonna have lunch. And I have been trying I'm struggling. I have been trying some stuff for tonight because I don't know what to wear, and I have ordered some high heels, nude kind of high heels, but I didn't get them yet. So the dress I wanted to wear, I cannot wear them because the only things that I have that will match are sandals, and I'm not gonna be wearing sandals in the middle of winter. So yeah, I think I'm gonna wear the red body. I don't know if you remember, I bought a body from Zara. I'm gonna try wear that because I have tried it right now and it's a real struggle to close in the back, and underneath, you know, because it does close underneath. And I don't know what the heck happened. It's a size small. I didn't even get an extra small, and it's so hard to wear. But anyway, we're gonna figure it out. And I wanted to wear some boots, ankle boots, but maybe I would wear some high heels, red high heels. Let's see the mood, because my body is 18. I have been to the gym yesterday and everything hurts. So I don't know if it's the same for you guys, but I cannot walk properly. Like, I'm gonna look like Bambi when she was born. So we'll see how I'm gonna deal with it. Anyway, let's have lunch and remove the aligners. I'm gonna put some hydrating mask or something. I don't know what to do with this. Anyway, let's go. I'm done with lunch. I have done all the dishes. Everything is clean, and I have put a mask on my face by the time I was like doing my stuff. It's the Cicaplast Balm B5 from La Roche-Posay. It's so good, and look at my face, it did calm down a lot. I'm amazed. Then I washed my face, and now I'm gonna start getting ready, and I'm doing it in my bathroom because I'm gonna be showing you. Look, there's no light. Like it's 3 p.m. 4 p.m. and there is no light. Like, this is France. Welcome to France. Anyway, let's start getting ready. I'm gonna talk to you later because I'm gonna do really fast and show you the results. I'm back, so I'm ready. I have redone my hair, just refreshed it a little bit because I don't want to wash it today. I'm gonna be washing it, I mean, I want to wash it, but tonight or tomorrow, we'll see. So just refreshed it a little bit. My curls, they are getting back and I'm so happy. I'm wearing this top from Zara that I showed you in my last vlog. I don't know if you remember. I bought it in Zara. It's so pretty, but I don't know, I still don't know, because it was such a struggle to wear it. Like, I couldn't close it. It's not well done. So yeah, I am wearing my favorite combo that I showed you in my shorts and on TikTok as well, so if you want you can follow me there. And I'm wearing these white trousers that you will not be able to see, but I'm going to be showing you later, and my red high heels. I'm putting it there because I cannot put it anywhere else. Anyway, for the jacket, I'm gonna wear this one from Zara. I don't know, there's no ticket, but it was from Zara. It's an old collection. It looks pretty. And for the bag, I'm gonna be wearing this one. It's an old one from Mango, but I love it. It's small, fits whatever I need, and my phone, it's gonna be in my hands. Nobody cares. So yeah, that's it. I just posted right now my video from like my get ready with me for girls night out, with the pink skirt and the pink sweater or jumper, whatever you want to call it. I just posted it on TikTok and on my shorts, so if you want you can go and check it there. And if you want to follow everything, you can follow me on TikTok and on Instagram. I post everything there. And yeah, so right now I'm ready before time. It's 5:30 and I'm supposed to leave at around 6:15. So I guess I'm gonna just be editing this video, or at least the shorts, because I have made this one on my shorts, this outfit on my shorts as well, and on TikTok. So most probably I'm gonna be posting them there tomorrow or after tomorrow, if you want to follow. I mean, tomorrow by now, which will be like the day before this vlog or something like this. I most probably be posting this vlog on Sunday, so we'll see. Anyway, yeah, so cute. By the way, these earrings, they are from AliExpress. Yes, all of them, even these ones, they're so cute. And as you can see, my acne did calm down a little bit, and I have put makeup on. I know I'm not supposed to do that, but I did, because it's a birthday. And yeah, and as soon as I get back home, I'm gonna wash very well and put all my treatment back. And yeah, I love myself on red, but I think it looks like so, like, look at me too much. So I don't know. Anyway, let's go. I don't know what happened here. I think someone played a party and Anyway, I changed into jeans, black jeans and boots because my sister called me and she told me actually it's kinda casual, so, and I was like, really? Anyway, so that's it. Sorry about the mirror. Ready? Let's go. C'est joli la découverte, t'as vu? Oui.
Ragazzi, pata alla truffa.
Dame ce jambon. Oh, thank you.
Et la 4 fromages.
J'ai tellement faim. Ah bah oui, sa femme est de neuf.
Buon appetito.
Allez, moi aussi, je vais aller donner. Joyeux anniversaire, Yusra. Joyeux anniversaire. Cumpleaños feliz, te deseamos todos. Cumpleaños feliz. Un deseo. Allez, un deseo. Venga. So yes, you could see it was such an amazing restaurant. The food was so good, and the decoration, everything was amazing. And funny fact about that restaurant is that all people working there, all the employees, they talk Italian. They are Italian actually. So like everything makes you feel like you have been in Italy all the time. You know, the decoration was amazing. Everything, I really loved everything about it. They were so nice to us. So if you ever come here to Bordeaux, you have to try it. But anyway, right now we'll head home, and I will try to talk to you, hopefully if I don't forget. So yeah, I will go remove my makeup, take my shower. I don't know if I will have the energy to do my hair. I don't think so, so most probably I'm gonna shower it, or wash it tomorrow. But just take a shower, you know, and go into bed because I miss my bed. I'm that kind of person. I'm gonna enjoy going out and have fun, but still, as soon as I'm done, I just want to go home, take my shower, and go into my bed.
Can we trust the stars about to let us know how to go?